Welcome to Tech Bytes and News, your daily roundup of articles featured in Hacker News. Today, we're diving deep into a truly impressive project, Snowdrop OS, a homebrew 16-bit operating system written entirely in x86 assembly language. It's amazing.
Yeah, I saw this. Completely from scratch? That's insane. What's the core functionality? I mean, what can it actually do?
Well, it's not just a kernel. It's a fully functional OS. It boots from floppy or CD, has a bootloader, a kernel that manages interrupts, and then loads a startup application. Think of it as a mini-DOS, but way cooler because it's handcrafted.
Mini-DOS is a good way to put it. So what kind of applications are we talking about? Is it just a command line interface, or is there more?
Oh, there's way more. We're talking a file manager, a text editor, graphical applications, even a basic interpreter and an x86 assembler and debugger, and of course, games. A Tetris clone called ASMTris, a snake game, even Minesweeper.
A Tetris clone? That's awesome. Did they write their own graphics libraries too?
Absolutely. The project includes a graphics and GUI framework, allowing for mouse-driven applications. They even have dynamic data structure libraries for linked lists, trees, and binary search trees. It's incredibly comprehensive.
Wow, that's a lot of low-level work. I'm impressed by the sheer scope. How did they manage to build all of this in assembly? Wasn't that incredibly time-consuming?
It definitely was a massive undertaking. But the result is a deep understanding of how operating systems work. The source code is publicly available, so you can see the incredible detail. It's a fantastic learning resource. The project evolved over many versions, adding features like multitasking, support for different devices like the PS/2 mouse, serial and parallel ports, even an LCD controller.
That's incredible. So it's not just a fun project, it's a valuable educational tool. I'm curious, what's the next step for Snowdrop OS? Any plans for future development?
That's a great question. The project seems to be complete, but the source code is open, so the community could potentially continue development. It's a testament to the power of assembly language and the dedication of the developer. It's truly inspiring.
Totally agree. It's a fantastic example of what's possible with a lot of hard work and a deep understanding of computer architecture. Thanks for sharing this. It's been fascinating.
My pleasure. And that's all the time we have for today's Tech Bytes and News. Thanks for listening, and we'll see you next time. Goodbye.
Bye-bye.